What are you doing here? You still here? Okay. I'm gonna be making Loco Moco. Now I'm staying in theme here, Hawaiian Maui Wowee from Spiceology. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Got 4 ounces of butter right here. I measure out a 1/4 pound of flour. That's equal parts butter to flour for roux. For those of y'all that have never made roux before. Quick tip, onion. Got an onion here. Also real quick, I have a new video on how to cut an onion. In case you don't know how to do that, go check it out. Just an onion, small dice. That's all we need for our roux right now. Butter in a pot. Medium heat. Once the butter's melted, go ahead and toss in the diced onion. You want to cook that off until it's a little bit translucent. Add in some Maui Wowee. About a 1/4 cup will take you a long way. It's going to be the base flavor of our gravy here. This Maui Wowee has a nice taste. It's got sesame, pineapple, some tamari, delicious. Toss in the flour. Then we're just going to lower the heat down a little bit and just cook that off. Now it's gonna be pasty like this. It's gonna look like wet sand pretty much. We're just gonna cook off the flour taste from this, so keep cooking it for about a minute or so. Okay, now at this point, we're gonna go ahead and add in the chicken stock to the roux and make our gravy. Go ahead and give that a little whisk. Go ahead and bring this thing to a simmer. We're gonna reduce it until it thickens up, becomes a nice gravy. Obviously, right? Oh, that's pretty tasty. I'm just gonna add a little bit of rice wine vinegar for a little pop. Black pepper. That moment when the waiter asks you when to stop. Smooth. That's a nice gravy. Maui Wowee gravy. I like the name of it. Delicious too. This is my grinder. There are many like it, but this one is mine. Ground beef. For burgers, burger patties. Loco Moco. We're making Loco Moco. Roll it up into a ball, do that, and then sort of work it around. So we have a nice burger patty. Add some oil, generous amount on both sides. Do some salt and black pepper. Down on the skillet. Give it a flip. Oh yeah. That's my rice timer. Okay, rice is done, burger's done, gravy's done. Now it's time to finish it all. Fry off an egg. Let's go. And if I want to get an egg looking perfect, I'll usually grab the yolk out and then sort of mix around the white, put it back on the heat, and then set it down. So all this is some nice short grain rice topped with a thick burger patty, that Maui Wowee gravy, and then just a perfectly cooked sunny egg and some of that Spiceology togarashi. Delicious. Alright guys, so there you have it. Loco Moco. It's just a delicious, comforting dish once again. For the time being, while you're inside, get some comfort food while you can. Thank you so much for watching the video. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.